Hello everyone. Today we have our third interview. For the last couple we're going to do a couple videos. The first couple of ones we did audio ones and did podcast talking about last Friday's 4th grades Wisconsin Agriculture Day and the project and the process of all of it and the awesome work these two guys and all of the other 4th graders did. Right now we have Henry Shaw with us, and here in a moment he's going to be telling us about him and his group. They did some maple syruping, and he's going to be focusing on, he and a couple other kiddos in his group took a little mini field trip on their own to a friend of his dad's to learn about maple syruping and that process. And then at the end we have Aiden Lapp here, and he's going to tell us something he learned about aquaculture and then the 3D farm scene that he and his stepdad put together and worked on, which was really awesome and cool. So Henry, would you like to share with us a little bit about the field trip you took, or what you learned and what all went into that?
Yeah, I really enjoyed that trip. It was the first thing that, pretty much the first thing that we did to learn stuff about maple syrup. I learned quite a lot of things I didn't know before, and my presentation wouldn't be very good without knowing this stuff. I learned that there are 2 different ways to make maple syrup. At first I only knew the bucket way, which is where you take the drill and then you drill 1 to 2 inches into the tree, put the spile in, and then put a bucket on and a lid. But I learned about the tube way too. That way you only do if you have like lots and lots and lots of trees, like in the thousands or more. I thought it would. When we went there, he had like 5,000 trees that were being tapped with tubes. And I thought that was really cool because, I mean, when he had to attach all those tubes into that, and so I thought it was pretty cool. And I lost my glove twice.
Did you end up finding it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, very cool, Henry. Thank you. Aiden, before we get to you and your 3D farm scene and model there, what's something that you learned about aquaculture, fish farming, from the project?
Well, I learned that only certain fish can be farmed, which is...
Okay.
So,
Just here in Wisconsin or other states?
you can farm them anywhere. Wisconsin only has a few.
Do you know what a few of those are?
There's walleye, trout, salmon, I don't remember any others.
Okay. And I know that you and your group were in touch with Rob Herman, who's Mrs. Herman's husband here at school, and he's involved with fish farming and aquaculture. Before we go here, you have a really cool 3D farm scene and model here.
It's made from Legos.
Okay. Would you share with us like what it's about or what it's showing and how you kind of went about that process and got to this point?
So, normally when you're farming fish, you only have 6 ponds, and they all show different species of fish. So we made 6 ponds. There's 2 slabs. One's thicker, and this is the top, which has the paint. We glued everything on, or screwed it on. So then this is a plumbing house where you take your plumbing to filter the water, and the straws resemble the plumbing going to each of the ponds.
Okay.
That's
That's pretty neat and cool, because I learned some of this for the first time last week or last Friday, and then there's a new fact that you shared today that I didn't hear on Friday. So whether it was taking a little mini field trip on your own or putting together this 3D model and farm scene, it sounds like you both had a lot of fun and learned a lot, right guys?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well thank you so much for your time and interview today. Have a good one.